because I haven't done this. Like now that I'm doing it, these things are important. So there's 11 security jobs AI does. Now, this is just what it is at a glance, but what I want to really show you is a pattern that you can recognize these when you see these in the real world or on a test. So rather than reading all these, each one of these, I want to show you the groupings. So what AI does well is it's going to find bad things. It's going to secure software. It's going to help you to run a security operations center, and it's going to turn text into intelligence. These are the four groupings that you need to really understand. And once I get into these, it'll make a lot more sense. So finding bad things, what are these? And what do we need to know for the purpose of the test in the real world? What do we really need to know? There's three things here. There's pattern matching, pattern recognitions, security matching, and anomaly detection. So I'm going to go through each one of these